Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nerd Dad, and I've got another lightsaber review for you guys. Check it out. What's going on, everyone? Chris, aka the Nerd Dad, and I got a new saber, 89 Sabers. Believe it or not, this is not the first time I actually bought this. I bought it last year. I actually had it sent out a few weeks ago to someone. I'm not gonna say who it is. Unfortunately, the installation didn't go the way I initially planned. Not here to bash anyone, but the sabersmith ended up just refunding me for the saber itself, so he's keeping the saber and also his commission price. So he's paying me back for all that, so it's cool. But basically, what I ended up doing was I bought another 89 Sabers MPP 2.5. So this is actually Darth Vader's lightsaber. This is stuck. Let's grab it from here. Darth Vader's lightsaber from Episode 4, 5, and also Rogue One. So it can be configured to many different things, and from all the different movies. This is actually going to be a very quick video because I have to get this shipped out this afternoon. I'm very excited. It's going to be sent to Jeremy at Solo Sabers. Stoked because his work, from what I've seen, is amazing. See if I can get this thing to focus for you guys. This is a fingerprint magnet. It's literally your fingerprints will get all over this thing. Probably gonna polish it out before I leave. Shroud comes off. It's plastic, as far as I know. Yep, plastic. This is metal. There is no hole here. This is kind of sucked. I was a little upset about that. I was kind of hoping maybe there would be a hole. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. Up here somewhere, to where basically there we go. Maybe like a tapped in hole here so that the screw can go in, because if not, it just slides up and down if you don't tie it tight enough. It does have two buttons. One here, one here. I think I'm going to have him do this deactivation. This will be the auxiliary. I am going to install it with a Profi, my first one. It does have a micro flash badge here. I don't know if I like it, to be honest. I kind of want it to be more screen accurate without it, obviously. I'm going to see if Jeremy can get rid of that. I'm going to ask. The last installer tried. This part came off cleanly, but unfortunately it was nicked pretty bad here where the chrome is, and a lot of minor display pieces, and also I like to mess with them a little bit, so I didn't like that. And it is what it is, but I'm not gonna get into that. Does come apart here. A lot of threads on this one. Just gonna get it to focus. It's the chrome, it just bounces back as the camera arch under focus. Okay, so it does come out this way. Ton of room. Let's see. It does come with a blade plug. If I can get to focus, there we are. So this here comes with a couple little fake wires if you want to go ESB style. I'm going to actually change mine out with actual wires. I got that from Bendu Armory. The clamp that will go on the side if you're going to do the New Hope conversion. A plastic Exactor bubble strip. This here basically is what goes under here to take out the holes here again, so you can do a New Hope. This is still actually been configured for Empire Strikes Back. I believe this knob here is actually for configuring it to New Hope as well, because the New Hope and Empire Strikes Back was different. So that's about that. Get T-grips. This one has little screws in there. That's my Roomba. Sorry. That one's for Rogue One. This one here is a longer one, so the longer ones are going to be for ESB. And then the shorter ones will be for New Hope. And then here are the wires. Actually, these are the ones I got from the Saber Armory. You can see they're a little short just because I ended up using some already back on my my old hilt. So I'm just going to reuse these again. Good thing they came with these extra lengths. I can just reuse them. I will say with this blade plug, it was very, very annoying. It's very, very tight in the inside. And literally, it's just not loose enough. Either you have to take sand it down, or I ended up buying one from the custom saber shop. It's just like this. It's a little looser. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is sanding down that one just so it fits better. It's a pain. It's a real pain. The retention screws are actually these little flathead screws that are right here. I don't like that. To be honest, I don't. I'm not a fan of it. I'm wondering if it's possible if it can be hidden right here. No, it wouldn't, because it's gonna hit these. So fortunately, that's gonna be an issue. I did test fit my blade with my old one, and it's fit pretty snug. So I'm guessing I just have to tighten this a tiny, tiny bit and just, you know, pull it in and out. I think I might want to switch to Shroud. I think I want to go with the Wanawanga or even Romans. I've read in some posts that they fit on these, so I might do that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, it's going to be a short video. I really wish someone made an awesome crystal reveal for this. I know Goth made one for the MPP. The 89 Sabers last run. I contacted him and I asked him would it still fit, and he said no, it won't fit. That sucks. I really, really wish it would. I'm pretty sad though, because that last one I had, you know, it was my first Vader, and actually it's not my first Vader. I have a Black Series one that's just sitting over here. I wish I could convert one of these days. I don't know if it'll happen, but maybe one of these days I will. But this is the main one I really want done. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully the next video will be when I get this back. Actually, the next video could be one that I purchased from 89 Sabers, Corbanth, a little over a week ago. That one I'm super excited for. I'm not going to give out too much information on that. I will be doing an unboxing on that one as well, because wow, that's one I've been wanting for years, and every time I found one it was crazy expensive. So Corbanth did another run of it. Like I said, I'm not gonna say what it is. If you guys are watching this, you know what I'm talking about. But hey, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. That really helps out this channel. I know I don't post as frequently as I want to. The first two that I ended up posting were back to back, but this one, like I said, there was a little bit of issue. I'm really, really hoping the one that I'm waiting for, it comes in next week. According to their website, it's going to take about 2 weeks. They have the Sabers in hand, but there's something it comes with that I'm super stoked with, and that's the only reason why I bought it. That's not true, actually. I would have bought the hilt anyways, but I wanted the hilt with what it comes with, and that took a little bit extra time. So like I said, please like, comment, subscribe. Please, it does help out this channel. It helps even motivate me to continue making these videos. I'm super excited to move over to Profi. Let's see if it's gonna be a permanent move. It's a platform I still have to learn. I did have maybe 5-10 minutes to mess around with my first one until I realized that those little issues, well, not even little issues, some decent issues in there that I just didn't like. And like I said, I'm just glad the Sabersmith who did it, he was cool enough to purchase the hilt along with refund me for the commission that I paid for. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, please comment, ask me questions. I have no problem answering your questions. I'm sorry it's such a short video, but I gotta get this to the post office just so Jeremy can get his hand on it and do work and work his magic. So thanks, guys, have a good day, and may the force be with you.